Hey everyone, so I thought I would take this moment to share with you how to change or find a word or words throughout a document. So I am designing a program, a concert program in Italian, and I just got back some changes from my proofreader. And so I need to make a universal change from piano here to pianoforte right there. So in order to do that, we use a key command. So you want to select Command F, and when that pops up, you will see that you have a lot of options all of a sudden. The easiest thing to do to start would be to type in what you want to find, what you'd like to change it to. And in this case, I know it's something that I can change across the board because it's in another language. So I want all piano to change. Now I can do a search just within the story, which will give you within the piece that you have selected. You can do the whole document itself, which in this is the case I'd like to do. And I just want to change all 16 replacements made for me in that short period of time. It would have taken me a lot longer than that to do it by hand. So there you go. Have a great day. Be well.